All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about the smartest strategy that I think everybody should be doing. Of course, put whatever you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, it is still a risk, okay? Just keep that in mind. Yesterday's video did really good, guys. Thank you so much for those of you that watched, that like. I know a lot of you got blown away. Y'all didn't even, almost like 80% of you guys didn't even know that Zen Classic, the Zen OG, was out there free for those of you that were able to claim some, if you were not too late. But luckily, most of you guys found out about it and now are aware of future claims on the Zen side. So great, man. I love that video helped out those of you. I'm really happy that it's pretty much more free money in your pockets. So let's start off by the ERC20 token. This is 6 zeros and a 5. And look what's happening. In the past previous videos, I said, and you can go back and you can see it yourself, I have not changed anything. It's all here. That's why I always keep all of my lines, my technical analysis, everything on there is just stays for every video, okay? You guys see it live, so that way people won't start coming up with any excuse that I moved the lines. So whenever we drop down on this, what was previously the support line, now it's the resistance. Once we broke downward onto here, way back in, like the very 1st of September, give or take, we ended up going down just a little bit, and I drew this line right here. I was going based off of this channel right here, the same height. I drew a line from here to here, and then I dragged down the line up that would made this channel, the new channel, right here. And I said, hey, if, of course, history doesn't repeat itself. What's the saying? I need to look it up. History does not like to repeat itself, but it sure does like to rhyme. I think that's how the saying goes. So if this channel was to pretty much stay the same and do the same down here, I was predicting that pretty much the bottom that it would bounce out from would be around the 4-8 area. Okay, now look what's happening right now as we speak on the ERC20 Zen. Of course, if this one does good, all other blockchains will end up doing really good as well. The lowest it went was 5.1.5, give or take. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's really close to where I was saying that it could be a bottom to where it would bounce and potentially have really good support levels. I'm gonna say this again. It is not a coincidence that all of a sudden DBZen is coming out with all of their projects, their DBZen NFTs, all other multiple blockchains. And then Zen.game is coming out also. What else is there? The garbage also, what is it? Zen garbage or something like that. It's coming out as well in the near future. A bunch of stuff is coming out, and it's not a coincidence. I am 1000% certain once we broke down from here, I've said it before as well, I'm going to repeat it again. Once we broke out this support and we headed lower right here into an all-time low, this is shaking out the weak hands. I'm now 1000% confident on that right now, simply because of all the projects come out. It's testing your limits. It's testing your patience, how much you believe in Zen and how much you're willing to hold it at a certain price. I get it's frustrating. I get it. You want to see Zen up 1000%, right? Me too. But at the same time, this is a long-term project, a multi-year hold. Now, first people were saying 8 years. They were laughing their asses off. Now that dropped dramatically. Now it's like 2, 3, 4 years possibly, where Zen is going to be one of them big-time gainers in the next crypto bull run. It could potentially even trigger the bull run. I'm looking forward to it. We are also going to launch on Optimism here shortly. I cannot wait. The launch date is still not yet confirmed. I kind of suspected it because Jack accidentally put the Optimism logo instead of the base chain logo on the Zen website. So I was like, I actually screenshotted it and put it on Twitter. If you don't yet follow me on Twitter or X, I apologize. Go follow me over there. It is CryptoAudiKing. The link is down below in the description, so that way you won't click and head on over to a scam account and, all that stuff. Be very safe out there. But that price right here, man, I'm confident that this is taking care of the weak hands. And once everything launches here in the next week, 2 weeks, in the next month, it's going to go crazy. The 1334 are still pretty separate from each other. They're not yet even touching. So I do see it going a little bit further, but not as much. I see this, if you guys see right here, this is the RSI. I see the RSI going just under the oversold area, in which it will trigger this support level and bounce up. That is a really good part, a really good like price target in which it will benefit you to get in. All right, not financial advice, please. I'm just putting out there, you know, it would be a really great position to load the F up. All right, family friendly content. We don't curse because then I get demonetized. Sometimes I do spit out 1 or 2 cuss words, but hey, sometimes we just get used to it, right? But so far, man, I'm really happy with the technical analysis side, man. It's great. It works. And I've always, a lot of people some people on the comment section always, you know, say, oh my God, you said this is the support. You said this is the bottom. You said this, you said that. I'm just adjusting to what the technical analysis is saying. I'm just going based off of the best potential outcome, the most profitable outcome, the safest entry in which I think it could bounce from. It's all just speculation, man, a prediction. That's what it is. And that's what I'm doing right now, okay? So I did load up a little bit at around 5.3, that's the token price right now. On the Conga exchange, I went ahead and bought a little bit. But now I'm going to wait a little bit more in case it does go to that 4.8, that 4.9 area. Trigger, buy, well, for me, okay? I'm going to buy a big bag on that area, especially once I see that oversold right there. Oh, I'm looking forward to it, man. One of the tokens that I want to talk about is, of course, DXN. We all know DXN, right? They are going to launch on Polygon. This is their website. It is dbzen.org. I will leave it down below in the description. It is not a referral link. I'm not going to benefit anything from it, so don't worry about that part. A lot of people freak out from it. But on their account on X, they are going to launch DBZen NFTs 14th of September, which is just a few days from now, at about 2 p.m. UTC. So make sure you have your alarm ready. Make sure you're ready with pretty much funds on both Polygon side, mZen, you know, all that stuff. Make sure you're ready to keep up with this, because I know the gas fees are probably going to go up there, okay? We have the power, we have the community, and the strength to literally trigger the gas fees to skyrocket. So I'm pretty sure that's going to happen on this end as well. So be prepared, man. If you have not yet minted or claimed your Zen on Polygon, be ready, prepare yourself, because after the 14th of September, whenever this launches, you're going to be paying, you know, a good amount for it. So go ahead and take advantage, load up, have that ready. But the MATIC DXN right now is at 8 cents. That is insane. You can buy it on Uniswap for the Polygon, you know, exchange, not the exchange, but the network on Uniswap has it on there in case you want to go ahead and buy some from the market. That's what I'm going to do. So this is the 15-minute. I'm looking at the daily. Ooh, it's already bounced up pretty nicely. Dang it. I knew I should have made this video earlier. At least now people won't say that I was the one that triggered this, you know, upside tick and I pumped it up and all that stuff. I don't even have that much following to be able to impact anything yet, okay? Maybe one day, hopefully, right? Make sure you click that subscribe button. But now it looks like it did a really great job on this, creating this support level right here. You know, it bounced up strong, it held right here. You know, technically it's not really a support level because it has to be more than once pretty much on the support level for it to bounce and consider it a support level. But it did bounce straight from here, so I'm going to say it is a really good support level. So it's about 6 cents, the all-time low, give or take, a little over 5.5, 5.7, which it's still like a 20-ish% upside right now on the 8-cent side. But now it's like that scenario in which DBZen NFTs are going to launch. Is it going to cause a DXN price increase? The 24-hour volume is 1.5K. Liquidity, 3K. Market cap, $105,000. Very interesting to see what this token does once DBZen launches and goes off to the races. Some people are loading up. I already know certain people that have bought in at around 7 and are preparing themselves. That's why it's actually green right now. People are speculating that because of the launch, it's going to cause that demand to skyrocket. And those of you that get in early and see the potential are the ones that are going to benefit. Not financial advice. If you want to load up $10, $20, $30 and see what happens, maybe a 2x, maybe a 5x, maybe a 10x, all of that is a possibility. Just set yourself a sell limit if you're trading it, or if you're going to want to hold it. It all depends all up to you, right? If you want to sell at a 2x, okay, 3x, that's fine. 5x, great for you, okay? So let's see what this token does. I'm going to be buying a little bit more. I bought around here. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I bought a little bit around here. As a matter of fact, I think one of my wallets has a little bit. I got 14. On this wallet, I got 14 tokens. But I got about 1,400 coins, and I bought them over here, give or take. It wasn't even that much, man. But I'm going to probably buy a little bit more over here, because once this goes and it breaks, I want to say if it breaks around 10 cents, 11 cents, it will most likely want to go retest the all-time high of around 15 cents. So don't disregard this token, the mDXN MATIC. It's going to be the first one to launch on the mDXN NFTs, and if it does good, the rest of the blockchains will most likely do really good along with it. So whatever Polygon does, most likely that's what the other blockchains will do once DBZN NFTs goes live on the rest of the networks. We'll see, man. It's all just speculation. It's hope. It's hopium. A lot of people want to call it that. So I'm gonna go with it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm gonna load up a little bit, see what happens. The buy volume has increased pretty much a big chunk, literally what, 3 days ago. So I want to see what happens. Let me know what you think. Do you have some? Do you mint? Are you gonna wait? Are you kind of iffy about it? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm very curious about what you guys have to say. I have a bunch of videos that I have in store for you guys on future projects, ideas, strategies, all of the above. So be sure you click that like button, subscribe, have notifications on. You know, you don't want to miss out on anything, man. This is just the beginning. Zen is going to take over. We're going to make a lot of money, man. I hope we do, right? So not financial advice, man. Do your research, you know, all that Jamba Juice talk that everybody says, right? So be smart, man. Take it easy, guys. I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace.